Were you told that you should work all you can, climb that corporate ladder, and save all you can for retirement? Everyone tells you work, 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 save, 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 save for retirement. But what if retirement doesn't come? Did you know over 1.5 million Americans die before collecting their Social Security? What? Yes, that is a possibility. It could happen that you don't make it to retirement age. When you look at your future with that in mind, are you going to continue working at that job you've outgrown? Are you mindlessly going through your day-to-day tasks just to get through another day at work? No passion for what you're doing, just writing it out until retirement. There's so many women I've heard say those words. I'm just writing it out until I retire. But what if you're in that 1.5 million American group that doesn't make it to that retirement age? Are you still going to write it out in your job? I don't say this to be a Debbie Downer, and I certainly don't wish illness or ill will on anyone's health. But what if you didn't make it to your retirement age? Would you change jobs and do something fun in these next 20 to 25 years? Would you retire early? Could you retire early? Would you start checking off things on your bucket list? No doubt you'd need to consult with a financial planner for your own situation. My point is, have you visualized your future lately? And I mean really take the time to reflect on what you're doing now. Do you love what you're doing now? What do you want your future to look like? And what do you have to do to get there? If you're like me, you have to write your thoughts down and visually see the goals and the plan. I have a 30-page life path builder template that I'll put the link below in the description that you can check out. It's time to ask yourself these questions. Are you passionate about the work you're doing now? Have you thought about what you'll be doing in retirement and not just resting or lying around eating ice cream all day? What's on your bucket list that you can check off right now? Comment your answers below. I'd love to hear them. Found this helpful? Hit the like button, subscribe button, and drop a comment below with your answer to one of these questions. I'd love to hear where you're at in your journey.